Good day to all.
My name is Yuga.
My name is Gautam.
My name is Kutani
My
Mare.
name is Abhishek.
We are from C. Ramana Vidyalaya Montessori Elementary Higher Secondary School, Rajapalayam. Our innovation title is Pyrotechnics Explosion Prevent System.
The problem statement of our project: firecracker factories, especially in places like Sivagasi, face constant danger from rapidly spreading fires due to highly flammable chemicals. Many workers lack safety gear, proper training, increasing the risk of serious injury or death. Current safety methods rely on people manually intervening, which is usually too slow to stop the fire. There is an urgent need for a reliable automated system that can instantly detect fire and immediately use CO2 suppression to protect both lives and factory assets.
Proposed solution is a Pyrotechnics Prevent System, a smart and multi-layered safety framework designed to protect the fire factories. The system uses an Arduino Uno integrated with a flame sensor for instant detection. When a flame is detected, the controller activates a servo motor to open the carbon dioxide diffuser, enabling second fire extinguisher. At the same moment, the ANG GSM module automatically sends emergency SMS alerts and makes the voice call to nearest fire station for rapid assistance.
To prevent unauthorized access to hazard materials, a keypad lock system secures the chemical storage area, allowing only trained personnel to enter. Additionally, a rain sensor protects sensitive drying materials by detecting rainfall and triggering another servo motor to close the drying unit's roof, preventing moisture related to damage. The integrated system strengthens factory safety through timely detection, automated response, and reliable environmental protection.
The working principle of our project. The system core's working principle involves instant automated response across its three integrated units. In the manufacturing unit, the flame sensor constantly monitors for fire, instantly commanding the CO2 release and activating the buzzer to warn workers. Additionally, an IR sensor detects abnormal person and also triggers the buzzer for immediate safety alarms. For the storage unit, the keypad lock system is secured such that entering an incorrect password instantly triggers the buzzer, signaling a security breach at the Ola Light chemical storage. Finally, the drying unit focuses on assist protection where a rain sensor automatically detects moisture and activates a servo motor to move and close the roof, safely where a sensor automatically detects the moisture and activates a servo motor to move and close the roof, safely protecting the firecrackers from rain damage. This comprehensive multi-point system ensures safety and security faster than human reaction.
We are implementing this idea to improve worker safety in fire factories. Before entering the factory, every worker must wear proper equipment using a teachable machine-based system. The camera checks whether the worker is wearing the required safety gear. Only workers with complete safety that are allowed to enter. Others must wait outside until they wear the safety equipment.
In addition to this, the system identifies if any worker is smoking or under the influence of alcohol. If smoking or drinking detected,
Thank